It's racing time. We have Warrior Heart draws for your lead, Mabalor moving upon the outside, followed by Amazing Day. Then comes Elisabio, My Loving Wife down on the inside, followed by Rock Batu and Double Rock. As they race towards the half mile. Mabalor, a solo leader, enjoying a 4 to 5 lengths lead over Warrior Heart in second, racing in third, Amazing Day. Down in fourth, My Loving Wife, then comes Elisabio, Rock Batu, Double Rock, and a long way back to Pleasanton. Rounding towards the 450, still without pressure in front. Mabalor this time by some 3 to 4 lengths. Running now in second, Ori outside, Amazing Day. Warrior Heart is battle, My Loving Wife. Mabalor still leading the field, Amazing Day in second. Then in between runners moving up, My Loving Wife, Warrior Heart, Rock Batu, a long shot. But it's still Mabalor, My Loving Wife down on the inside. My Loving Wife, Double Rock coming from behind, wins the race over Mabalor. Then comes My Loving Wife, Rock Batu, Warrior Heart, Elisabio, Amazing Day, and